Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you can tell by the title, this is going to be my unboxing slash try on video for the Boxycharm base and premium box for the month of May. So if you want to see what I got and how I used it on my face, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing in my base box is from Wander Beauty. This is the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighter palette, and so far the packaging is super cute, and on the back it shows the 3 shade names. So this is what the actual palette looks like. It does come with a cute little mirror, and it comes with 3 shades. So I'm assuming that the middle shade is the blush and the 2 other shades are like highlighter shades, so that looks cute. Next is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick, and this is what the box looks like. Super reflective and shiny. And then this is what the actual product looks like. It has like their typical triangle stick formula, and this is in the shade Bronze Flash, which I'm hoping works for me. So it might come off a little too dark, I don't know, but it looks really nice and the packaging is super like high-end. Next is this English Laundry number 7. I think it's a perfume, I'm not even sure. Yeah, it's a perfume. Super cute. Thank God. I thought it was a rollerball, so let's see what it smells like. It is really strong, but this is like a springy type of scent to me, which I don't mind. So there's that. I've never seen perfume incorporated in any Boxycharm box. Comment down below if you have. Next, I got the Deborah Lippmann Nail Polish Duo. The first shade is Fire on the Horizon, and then the second is Can't Stop the Feeling. It's like a reddish coral type of color, and then like a light pink. Super cute. And you guys know I do press on nails and acrylic nails, so nail polish is always a plus for me. And then the last thing I got is from Sutra. It is a mini ceramic curling iron, which looks like this. I'm not going to take it out the packaging because I might just incorporate it in a giveaway. I have a full-size flat iron and I don't really travel that much, and if I do, I'm just going to bring my full-size flat iron. So this will be in an upcoming giveaway for my 500 subscriber mark, milestone, you know what I mean. But yeah, there's that. And I can't tell you any other prices because Boxycharm lately has not been incorporating my little card in my boxes. And I also haven't been getting any emails about the prices for anything and the information. So sorry. If I get the chance to, before I upload the video, I will try to look up the product itself online and insert the prices that I do find. So moving on to my premium box, the first thing that I see is from Too Faced. This is the Natural Matte Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this. Super cute box. Feels really nice and expensive. And then the actual palette also looks really nice, has a nice weight to it. Super cute little heart there. This also comes with a nice sized mirror, and it has 9 eyeshadows. So these are really pretty colors, and I could definitely use this palette every day. So I most likely incorporate this in my next everyday makeup drawer video type of thing. Next, I got the Kat Von D Ink Well Liner in the shade Lolita, and this is what the box looks like. And this is what the actual product looks like. That is it swatched. It's a really pretty color. The next product that I got is from Pure Heals by Nature Village. It's the Centella 90 Ampoli. I'm gonna assume it's like a oil but this is what the box looks like, and that's what the actual product looks like. So in the actual bottle, it looks kind of thicker than most oils, so maybe it's like a gel type of formula. That smells really strong. The scent of this reminds me of like a eucalyptus-y type of smell, really mentholy. So this might feel really refreshing on the face. So who doesn't love skincare, you know? And I'm pretty sure this is like super expensive. The next thing I got is from Milk Makeup. This is their Glow Oil Lip Plus Cheek thing in the shade Flare. This is super small. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a sample or the full size. Comment down below if you know. But that is what it looks like. I feel like this is something I would get in Ipsy. It doesn't have a scent and it rolls up, but that is what the actual color looks like. I would probably most likely use this on my lips and not my cheeks. It just doesn't look like it'd be something for my cheeks, if that makes any sense. Next is something from Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate. And the actual box feels pretty light, so I'm assuming it's like wipes and not a cream. Or like cotton pads. Do you see the size of this jar and the size of this box? Call me crazy, but that is very wasteful, just saying. So basically this is just a eye cream, and I'm pretty sure this is also super expensive, but for what it's worth, the packaging looks really cute and it feels really expensive. It smells like lotion. Not a big fan of the scent, but hey, if it works, it works, you know. And then last but not least, I got something from Tarte, or Sugar Rush Tarte. I feel like they're the same brand. It's the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. I'm guessing the scent or like flavor is called Peony. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, again, this is what the box looks like. You know, that's what the box looks like. Super cute. But the actual product itself is adorable. It's like a freaking flower on the top, and then a cute little jar. So let's see if it smells. Oh, that smells really good, and it looks like really buttery. So now that I said everything, I'm going to move on to the try on portion. So this is the completed look. I am pretty satisfied with how everything came out. So let me give you guys my final thoughts and everything. This little trio palette with the blush and highlighter, I really like. The blush is super pigmented and the highlighter is really, really pretty as well. The Hourglass highlighter stick, I think I'm obsessed with it already. Like, I can still see it shining through over the powder highlight. And it was really easy to blend out, really easy to work with, so highly recommend. And this color is not too dark for me. I actually think it fits or suits my skin tone perfectly. The Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette, it is a bit powdery for my liking, but overall I think everything blended out really nicely. I created a really simple everyday basic look with it, and again, I can see me using this all the time for very simple everyday go-to eyeshadow looks. And yeah, what more can I say about a 9-pan eyeshadow palette that is super neutral and basic? The Sugar Rush lip balm kind of reminds me of chapstick. It does have a really nice scent, but I personally don't like the way it feels on my lips. It feels really waxy. Would I purchase this? No. Everything else I just mentioned I would most definitely purchase. The Kat Von D Ink Well Liner. It is really easy to create a really fine line. I'm not sure if you can tell. The color itself isn't something I would use all the time. Maybe if I want to create a certain design on my face with it, when I get a little bit more creative, then I would use this. But as you can see, it fades really quickly and it just doesn't pop out the way I like it to pop out. If I'm going to use the eyeliner, it's most likely going to be a black or a dark brown. The Milk Makeup lip cheek thing I don't like. The color just doesn't suit me. As you saw, I wiped it off and applied something different, and I definitely wouldn't use this type of formula on my cheeks based on the way it felt on my lips. It felt really like slick and greasy like, so definitely wouldn't put this on my face where I'm doing, you know, other makeup on my face. So, and that is everything that I tried. The things that I didn't try were the Pure Heals oil thingy, the Skin & Co eye cream, the English Laundry No. 7 perfume, and the 2 nail polishes. Those are the 4 things that I didn't get to try out of everything that I got today. I like the stuff that I got. I have to keep playing around with it, but overall I think everything was pretty decent that I used. I still have other stuff to use, so yeah. So on that note, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are trying to hit 1,000 before 2021, and yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.